Have you ever gone to the doctor because of a sore throat or an earache? Well, chances are you were given a penicillin shot, which in my opinion are one of the worst shots ever to receive. According to Dr. Howard Markle, director of Center of History of Medicine at the University of Michigan, the discovery of penicillin, one of the world's first antibiotics, marked a turning point in human history. Doctors finally had a tool that can completely cure their patients of deadly infectious diseases. Since that accidental discovery of penicillin has benefited many people. It has an incredible history. It is incredible and has an interesting history. Its advantages have saved thousands. It also has aided society in past and in the present day. Penicillin is one of the first antibiotics discovered and has a very important impact on the world. Its discovery was an accident and a mistake. The discovery of penicillin started in the St. Mary's Hospital when a contaminated petri dish that contained bacteria had been thrown out. Bacteriologist Alexander Fleming noticed that some bacteria in the petri dish had died. Later, he realized that the outside force acting on the bacteria was in fact penicillin. It had killed bacteria in the petri dish. This wonder drug wasn't used effectively until World War II when two Oxford University scientists, Florey and Chain, made it into an antibiotic that would soon save millions of people's lives. The discovery of penicillin may have been an accident, yet was a useful one and one that changed the medical field forever. Penicillin is an important factor into helping our bodies fight and prevent infections. When Fleming noticed that the bacterium in the petri dish was gone, he thought this could be very effective in the medical field. Our bodies naturally fight bacterial infections, but sometimes the bacteria can overwhelm the white blood cells that naturally fight the bacteria. This is where the use of penicillin and other antibiotics can help defeat and destroy bacteria that are causing infections. Penicillin does not just fight infections, it also prevents them as well. Doctors use it to help patients that may be vulnerable to infections because of certain treatments, wounds, or a weakened immune system. Penicillin is a valuable tool to prevent and fight infections. This miracle has saved countless lives. When penicillin was discovered, it took 12 years to make it a usable, safe, and effective medication. After Florey and Chain made it into a usable antibiotic, it began to save immediately. It was mass-produced during World War II. Records say that were only 400 million units of penicillin available during the first 5 months of 1943. By the time World War II ended, U.S. companies were making 650 billion units a month. It helped save fighting men by treating small wounds and preventing infections like gangrene, pneumonia, and tuberculosis. It also helped reduce the number of amputations and deaths during the war. Today, in the Iraqi war, soldiers often receive injuries that would be fatal without penicillin and other antibiotics. Infections that once were considered deadly are now treatable. Bacterial meningitis and pneumonia are extremely serious conditions. However, because of penicillin, they are conditions that may overcome by the use of this accident. Penicillin was a paramount discovery that saved countless human lives in wartime, in epidemics, and yes, it even cleared the common ear infection. Penicillin influenced and encouraged advancements in the medical field that will never fully be comprehended.